Alright, everyone. Today we are going to be learning how to create a PowerPoint over something very simple such as your favorite dinosaur. To start off, we can see that I just loaded into PowerPoint and that we have a large variety of different styles that we might pick. You know, there's circuit, mesh, ion, all with different looks and styles that could fit very well to a certain kind of subject that you're telling. For now, I'm just going to pick the blank presentation since this is just a tutorial. Now, right off the bat, you can see right off the start that the lining and intel of this website is very overwhelming at times. There is actually a lot to do within this website, and the ideal is to create a more in-tune nature of what you need to be completing. So first it asks for a title, very simple task. You know, just type in maybe your dinosaur of choice. I'm going to pick everyone's favorite, the big old T-Rex, and we can click to add a subtitle here. Now, the subtitle is not always needed. If you just want to get rid of this box, you can just right click and cut it on out. There you go, disappeared just like that. Now with the text itself, there's actually a lot of things you can do with this. You go up here to over all these tiles and you click format. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of different little things you can do with it. I can add some shadows, add a whole bunch of built-in textures that they gave to me. Give it kind of a striped look. Now, I went ahead and picked the T-Rex. I'm going to go ahead and drag my other screen over here to show you what I'm looking at. And we can see right here on the left side, go ahead and pick the T-Rex. We can see some, basic information about the T-Rex and exactly what we want. So, I'm going to go ahead and take a picture here, and I'm going to save this image so that I can use it in my presentation. And I'm going to name it T-Rex. We're going to go back on over to my PowerPoint, and up here at Insert, you can see a whole bunch of options. You can add word art, just simple, skip the text box and go straight to what I wrote here, the T-Rex, with a nice little design. Or we can go up here, and what we want is to click Pictures. This will pick up your file library, and we're going to go ahead and type in T-Rex. There we go. And it should pop right on in. There we go. Now we have a nice picture of a T-Rex. You can adjust the size of it with these little handles here. This will overall make it bigger, and this will stretch it out a bit more. Now be careful when using this because the quality does dim a little bit when you do this. So right now we have our little picture of a T-Rex with the information that we need. So I'd say this slide is done. This is our basic slide. So we're going to go up here to Insert. This is where we saw where we can insert an image with pictures. And I'm going to click New Slide. This will create a new slide, giving us a whole brand new slate. So with this, we can go and type in our next slide. Let's find something that we might want. There we go. Fast facts. So let's type in some T-Rex fast facts. T-Rex fast facts. Now, we can see that T-Rex was one of the biggest meat eaters. That's a good one. They're a carnivore, something that eats other animals. So T-Rex is carnivorous. Carnivorous. There we go. So then if you cut this, it created a list for me. Something that could easily help. It's a great way. A list is a great way to show your facts so you one after another. Now if you click enter, it'll give you a new bullet automatically. And if you click your tab button on the keyboard, it will automatically make a subpoint. A great way to apply on the fact that you had already given. Now these are the basic methods of being able to add text, add images, design. As you look into PowerPoint more and more, you can see a vast amount of different effects and animations that you can add as well. As you can see, you can add equations, you can add charts, and if you click here on transitions, you can actually create a transition into your page. As you can see, it's wiping over, splitting open, all that good stuff. And then if you want to add animations, you can even add separate animations to your own words. As you can see, grows and turns right into the picture. Now, once you've had everything done, you've created exactly what you want. I've shown you how to insert an image, insert some text. You can add more and more slides, as many as you want. You finally come on over into your slideshow itself, and you can click from beginning. This will then begin your, and it'll show you exactly what your presentation is going to look like. You can click in slideshow, and you can go to and there, as you can see, this is the slideshow itself, giving you the detail, and you are ready to present exactly what you have written down. I hope you guys enjoy PowerPoint as much as, because you are going to be using it a decent amount throughout your life. So to get to know it is a great step towards a bright future.